Good afternoon, students. Today's session we discuss meaning and the nature of philosophy. Lecture number one. Wasting any time. Let's start the very important session of education or field of education. Okay, meaning and nature of philosophy. It is helpful for the student of BA in education, MA in education, also PhD, and also helpful plus two levels to interest study of education's optional subject. Okay, first of all, you understand the concept and sentence of this note and writing your note. Meaning of philosophy. The word philosophy is derived from the Greek words philia means love and sophia means wisdom and means the love of wisdom. Okay, it is the etymological meaning of the philosophy. You can write in the externalize point meaning of philosophy. Philosophy is the study of general and fundamental problems such as those connected with existence, knowledge, value, reasons, mind, and language. Philosophy is the rational attempt to formulate, understand, and answer fundamental questions. Okay, okay. Nature of philosophy. You can write one nature. Nature number two. Okay. Nature number three. Okay. Nature number four. Nature number five. Nature of importance of philosophy. Okay, how a student learn and why a student learn a philosophy. The study of philosophy enables us to think carefully, critically, and clearly about important issues. Okay, it is very important. Then branches of philosophy. Historically, philosophically concerns has been treated under these broad categories: logic, mathematics, epistemology, and value theories or axiology. Okay, logics, okay, then metaphysics, then epistemology, then value system or axiology. Ethics is under the axiology. Two parts of axiology or value system: ethics and aesthetics. Social and important, social and political philosophy. It is a not important for okay, it is a learn better and extra note for the students. Thank you.